Though self-improvement is a lifelong journey, getting started only requires a short amount of time. Any large goal may be divided up into smaller tasks as long as you can follow the 2-minute guideline. Some of these little tasks can be completed in under 2 minutes, yet they will probably help you move closer to your more important objectives. Simply spending 2 minutes each day on one of these activities will have a positive impact on your general well-being. Welcome to Prepared Leaders. I'll talk about the 8 self-improvement principles and offer some advice on how they will affect your development. Number 1. Drink more water. Even if it may feel like only the tiniest baby steps, they are nonetheless moving forward. We often don't follow the rule that says we should drink 8 glasses of water every day. Your body needs water to maintain bodily functions and keep you healthy. Dehydration can also cause headaches, tiredness, and skin problems, and a lot of people are really dehydrated. They are simply unaware of it. So if you're not thinking about it, it's difficult to drink 8 glasses every day. Therefore, don't be scared to celebrate when you truly drink 8 glasses every day. The key is to use a fairly large glass of water and to keep the glass filled at all times. The availability bias is a psychological technique that tricks your brain into believing there is plenty of water nearby. So you should probably drink some of it. Some disadvantage of this is that you have to use the restroom a lot more. But it actually has a significant impact on your energy and productivity. Number 2. Eat whole foods. As a general rule, food is more nourishing when there are fewer ingredients. Change some processed meals for whole foods if you want to feel better and have more energy throughout the day. Fruits, vegetables, eggs, and nuts are just a few examples of foods you can eat that you can actually pronounce. Reduce your consumption of chemicals, dyes, and other unpronounceable components. I think you should count how many real ingredients you can name in your next dish. You're more likely to consume something that will make you feel lethargic and unproductive throughout the day if you don't know what you're eating. I know this is quite basic, but even minor changes may have a big impact on how you feel. Number 3. Practice daily gratitude. Your stress will actually fade away with some positivity and thankfulness. Even when things seem hopeless, having a grateful attitude can help you see the light and prevent you from believing that you have reached your lowest point. You'll be more likely to make progress if your mind is clean and filled with gratitude. People who are grateful are more likely to succeed, as this has been shown over and over again. Being grateful can be challenging for some people, but you can start by keeping a tiny notepad beside your bed every night, and immediately before you fall asleep, list everything you were thankful for that day on one page. Once you learn the power of the law of attraction and neuroscience of the reticular activating system, you will start to understand how truly important having a positive and grateful mind is for becoming successful. Many research studies can hold this down. Number 4. Pick up a book. Cut down on some screen time and open your mind with a good book. You can always learn something from reading, even if it's just a new vocabulary word. E-readers and Kindles make it easier than ever to carry around. The knowledge of the universe while you travel, you curl up on the couch, or even when you are going to the bathroom. Maybe you don't have 2 minutes to read a whole book. Well, take 2 minutes to get some recommendations from your friends and family members. All it takes is a quick click online to queue up some books on your tablet. When the books are waiting for you, you are more likely to actually read them again. Before we continue, I'll be giving you time to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. Number 5. Listen to a TED Talk. Maybe you prefer consuming inspiration with audio. You can hop online on YouTube and learn from great speakers in a variety of different fields. If you don't know what to watch first, watch some TED Talks. If you have a specific subject that you want to learn about, maybe it's psychology, you'll probably be able to find a TED Talk on it. If you are open to anything, you can really explore a whole world's worth of different subjects with TED. From happiness to urban planning to biology, it's actually crazy how many videos they have. Number 6. Forgive someone. We've all been victims of wrongdoing at some point in our lives. We have all made mistakes. Just as you would probably like people to forgive you, we have to work on forgiving other people, even if they haven't directly asked for it. Forgiveness is a small gesture that doesn't just benefit the person who did you wrong. When you let go of a grudge, you also let go of the stress, the anxiety, and the other negative feelings that you had and have been holding on to for a long time. You begin to realize the severe consequences for your mindset if you start to hold grudges. Number 7. Join a group. Join a group of supportive individuals. It might feel hard or difficult to accomplish your dreams. And in fact, it probably is. Words of encouragement and additional resources can help you find opportunities, boost your mood, and give you more motivation. But where do you find a group that is willing to support your journey? Well, think about the group that you want to join and hop online. Meetup and Facebook are two great sources to find supportive communities and events. If you have never heard of it, Meetup allows you to search through different events based on your occupation, your interests, or the community that you identify with. They help you set up meetings in your local areas. Meetups and Facebook groups are becoming more popular ways to reach out to like-minded people and connect with them. These groups are often run by experts in their field who offer courses and resources, but the groups are sometimes free. You can also search for physical events to attend through these groups. Number 8. Congratulate yourself. So you will plan to take some time today and complete one of these tips that I have suggested. Well, if you do, don't forget to reward yourself. Positive reinforcement will encourage you to keep going and keep growing, even when the reinforcement comes from within. I suggest taking a moment this afternoon to reflect on the ways that you have improved. The more consistently you contribute to your own development, the faster you and the rest of the world start to see results. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new content. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in my next video.